Welcome to 2148 Maple Street Southwest in Howard Lake, Minnesota 55349. This beautiful two-story home was built in 2021. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 1,800 finished square feet, large concrete driveway, 3-car attached garage, 35-year architectural shingle, very low maintenance exterior with vinyl and stone, nice private backyard with mature trees. You could add a garden if you want. You don't even need to add a play set if you have kids because you have a play set right across the street. You back up to farmland. That is Howard Lake as you see with the aerial. So you can literally ride your bike to Howard Lake in less than 5 minutes. It has a boat launch, a pavilion, and a park. Lots of activities throughout the year for all of the local people to enjoy as well as visitors. One of the great bonuses is you have a quiet area in a smaller town with all the latest construction, so you're not giving up anything to move out and have a little privacy. To the right is a current play area for the kids, but that is the home office, and it also has a door to close it off for privacy. Premier vinyl flooring as well as carpet throughout the entire home. Almost all of the trim, doors, and molding are white. There is a gas fireplace in the living room, and it's a very open floor plan, as you can see. Lots of natural light because you have so many large windows. If you like to cook or entertain, this is a great place to do that. I want to give you another shot of the backyard. Look at how private that is. It's ready for a deck, and you don't hear any noise outside. You don't hear loud trucks driving by. There's no interstate. It's just a wonderful, quiet place to live, to decompress from those hard work schedules all of us have during the week. There's plenty of storage with the cabinets and drawers, granite countertops, stainless steel drop-in sink. All the appliances stay with the home. All the kitchen appliances are stainless steel. There's a center island here for more storage and also for a prep work area. And then there is a walk-in pantry for all of your food. So the storage is great. They've thought of everything. You get all the bells and whistles of new construction in the city, but for less money. That goes to the 3-car garage. You could add cubbies here in the mudroom if you need to, and there is a guest bath on the main level, so you don't have to ask your guests to go upstairs to use the bathroom. One of the things I mentioned in the remarks, if you've read them, is that this is an assumable loan. If you are a veteran and you've served in the armed forces, you can qualify and take over or assume their mortgage, which is currently at 4.5%, which is a great rate. It will save you hundreds of dollars a month in your payments, but you have to be a veteran to be able to qualify. There are 4 bedrooms up. This is the primary bedroom, which has its own entire full private bathroom with 2 sinks, lots of storage, a huge soaker tub, which I'll show you, a step-in shower, and then at the back is where the private walk-in closet is. There's another full bathroom that I'll show you up on this level, and 3 other bedrooms, including a laundry room. How can you go wrong? It's convenient, it's easy, and everything is literally move-in ready. So with new construction, you don't have to wait for a year to get in. This house is ready to go and waiting for you right now. Plus, it's going to cost you less money than if you go through new construction. Plus, the bonus is if you're a vet, boy, are you sitting in good shape with the interest rates. Here is the second bathroom. As you can see, it's a full bath with a shower. So that will take care of the 3 additional bedrooms on the upper level if you need all of those spaces for people. If not, any one of these bedrooms would make a great home office, workout area, den, TV room, whatever you might need it for. All of them have good sized closets and storage. To the right here, this is the second floor laundry, which I know people love because it just makes your life easier. Again, white molding and woodwork, really well done construction. As you can see, miter joints are great, raised panel doors. You have a linen closet right here for extra storage. All the bedrooms are nice size, like I said. They all have lots of natural light throughout the day. You don't have to do any maintenance, and all of the mechanicals are only 3 years old. So if you're one of those people that doesn't want to have to move into a house and do a bunch of updating and do a bunch of changing, here's a perfect opportunity for you instead of maybe buying an older home that may need some of that. The house is priced to sell and ready to go. It's in great condition, as you are aware, because you can see it. It's a safe and quiet area. It's less than an hour from Minneapolis. The three-car garage is great. You have plenty of room if you want to get a boat. So if you've ever dreamed of having a boat but you don't want to spend the money to live on the lake, you're literally a mile from Howard Lake. All the mechanicals are in excellent condition, 90+% efficiency furnace, air-to-air exchanger, poured concrete foundation. This is partially finished now. There's lots of storage. The sellers have already started to frame it. All of the drywall and all of the lumber is here to finish it. You can do a big family room and a bathroom. You can do a bedroom and a family room and a bathroom. It gives you options, but you have a lot of choices here. It's a wonderful place to live. I encourage you to come out and take a look. It's a lot closer than you think to the west side of town. And if you're looking for that privacy and space and not overpaying, come take a look at this house. You won't regret it. It's incredible.